Clove might be good for the lungs. Its oil, when inhaled, may soothe cold, cough, bronchitis, sinusitis, and asthma. It may also clear the nasal passage, but lung problems can be severe, and you are advised to contact your healthcare provider and receive a proper diagnosis and treatment. Ginger offers many health benefits to our lungs. Due to its anti-inflammatory qualities, ginger causes bronchodilation in asthmatic patients. Various animal and human clinical studies have demonstrated the bronchodilatory effects of ginger. Ginger also breaks down the thick mucus and helps to expel out the mucus. Ingredients: cloves, ginger, cinnamon. Drink 1 glass before bed.